Hi friends, welcome back to my channel English with Dihati ma'am, and this is Yashoda. And friends, in today's video, I'm going to talk about fear. Fear means dar. In our life, we have different kind of fear. Some people they have fear of facing others, facing strangers. Some people they are having fear of money, losing their life means about death, and fear of ghost. And here we are going to talk about fear of speaking English in front of strangers, in front of anyone. Why? क्यों हम सफर करते हैं इस fear से? And you know friends, even I have talked with so many people, okay, one-on-one session, and most of them they have asked only one question. Ma'am, I want to overcome my fear of speaking, but I don't know how to do it. Whenever I have a session with someone, so I start just like facing hesitation kind of problem. So how I can overcome my fear of facing someone, and how I can overcome my fear. All in all, they want to know the way जिसकी वजह से वो अपने fear को हटा सके अपनी लाइफ से और अपनी लाइफ में आगे बढ़ सके. Friend, there is one thing that I would like to tell you. Until we start facing our fears, okay, we won't get rid of fear. We won't overcome any kind of fear. Just like जैसा कि आपको पता है कि हमारी लाइफ में बहुत सारे डर होते हैं, ओके, बट जब तक हम उनका सामना नहीं करते वो फियर हमारी लाइफ से कभी नहीं जाते. जैसे कि लोगों के पास फियर होता है मनी इन्वेस्टमेंट कर, ओके, they always think like that, if I will invest my money in any kind of business, there is only two condition. क्या होगा अगर मेरा बिजनेस लॉस हो गया तो, एंड द अदर वन, और अगर आपका मेरा बिजनेस ये आगे काम कर गया, जो मैंने पैसे इन्वेस्ट किए हैं ये पैसे मुझे आगे चल के डबल मनी देगा. बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम as a human being, we always tend to think about negative side of this. If I will lose my money, if I won't be able to grow my business in a good way. So that's why we always stop ourselves from taking a step towards our achievement. Friends, mostly क्या होता है, लोग अपने आप को रोक देते हैं वो फर्स्ट स्टेप उठाने के लिए. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट एवरी टाइम दे फेस प्रॉब्लम्स इन देयर लाइफ, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम बिकॉज ऑफ ओनली दिस प्रॉब्लम वी ऑलवेज लूज इन अ लाइफ, वी ऑलवेज मिस अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन अ लाइफ. बिकॉज ये जो हमारा डर है ना, दिस वर्ड fear, it always stops us. It always makes us to think like that, no, you can't do it. It's not your cup of tea. But in this video, I'm saying that it's totally wrong. If you really have your belief system now, if you have faith in God, or you have faith, you have your belief system, you are believing on yourself, you are believing on your work, you are believing on your hard work, so definitely you will get every kind of thing, you will achieve. No one is going to stop you, because everything depends on your dedication, everything depends on your aspirations, everything depends on your hard work, your efforts that we always put in order to achieve our thing. So why we are thinking about fear? There is nothing like kind of a thing of fear. इस दुनिया में डर नाम की कोई चीज नहीं है. It's only a thought process. ये एक हमारी दिमाग की सोचने की प्रक्रिया है. And we are always having this negative impact in our life, because most as a human being, okay, being a human, we always tend to think negative. हम पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट्स के बारे में बहुत ही कम सोचते हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट. And when it comes to speaking English, okay, when it comes to having session with strangers, so most of the time we always have only this thing. क्या होगा यार अगर मैं इंग्लिश ना बोल पाऊँ तो? क्या होगा मैं अगर कॉन्वर्सेशन कंप्लीट ना कर पाऊँ? क्या होगा अगर अगला पर्सन हंसने लग जाए? क्या होगा कि अगर वो मेरा मजाक उड़ाने लग जाए? क्या होगा अगर जो इंसान है जिसके साथ मैं बात करूँगा वो मेरी मिस्टेक्स निकालने लग जाए? क्या हो अगर मैं उसकी जैसी इंग्लिश ना बोल पाऊँ? वी आर ऑलवेज हैविंग दिस काइंड ऑफ थॉट प्रोसेस इन आवर माइंड, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इवन इफ sometimes we try, sometimes even if when we try to have a session, and only because of having this thought process of having fear, okay, having all kind of these fear, your thought process, it's working, okay, it's working on, because of which we fumble. Because friends, हम जैसा सोचते हैं लाइफ में वैसा ही होता है. If you think good तो लाइफ में अच्छा होगा, इफ यू थिंक बैड तो लाइफ में डेफिनेटली बुरा होगा. बिकॉज जब हम इन चीज़ों को सोचते हैं ना, नेगेटिव थिंग्स को, तो हम उनको अपनी ओर अट्रैक्ट करते हैं. एंड दैट्स वाई ऑलवेज इट हैपन्स नेगेटिव विद अस, एंड देन वी फील एम्बैरेस. वी स्टार्ट फीलिंग दैट लाइक नो, इट्स नॉट माई कप ऑफ टी, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू गिव अप. So friends, if you really want to overcome your fear now, so there is no any alternative way. There is only one way to overcome your fear. That start facing your fears. Fear of facing strangers, so then start facing them. If you have fear of going to the market, okay, so then start. Because until you take your step towards overcoming those fear now, you won't get rid of this kind of fear. If you really want to eliminate these fears, so you should work. You should take your first step by facing that fear. क्या होगा? Okay, what will happen? अगर अगला person हंसने लगा, let them laugh. He will laugh only for few seconds or maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes only in that conversation. Otherwise, no person has enough time only to think only about you, because every person has so many things in their life. They have so much work in their life to do. No one is going to think only about you. You are not any kind of celebrity, okay? So no one is going to think about you that so much. It's only you are thinking like that. And even sometimes one thing happened, both the person in a conversation, they are two person, okay, and both of them, they think only one thing. Both of them, they have only one fear of speaking, fear of just like what the other person think, okay, about me. I'm not good enough, my English is not efficient, okay, I can't elaborate things properly, I can't speak in a good way, okay. And because of this, both of us, we have fear. And because of, even if we are very good at speaking, we make mistakes, we do fumble, and this becomes the reason of degrading ourselves, and we start. So whenever you get a chance to have a session with any kind of a person, okay, whether it's proficient English speaker or it's normal basic learner, okay, don't think like that the other person is good or bad. Always think like that. Always takes, okay, this opportunity as a very good thing for you, as a very beneficial thing for you, because you are going to practice with that person. And definitely if the other person is good, okay, if the other person with whom you are going to speak, so if that person is very proficient English speaker, okay, so definitely you will learn so many things from that person. Or if the person with whom you are going to speak, he's at a very intermediate level, or you are little bit good enough, so definitely you have to teach them so many things in that conversation. If you're getting any kind of mistakes, okay, that the person makes, okay, while speaking, so you need to make them understand, you know, brother, while speaking you made mistakes, so you need to improve that. Or if the other person, in the same way, the other person, okay, he will make you understand about your mistakes. So accept it. Embrace your mistakes happily. Until you start doing this thing, you won't be happy in your whole life. Because हमेशा ज़िंदगी में हम उदास क्यों होते हैं जब कोई इंसान हमारी गलतियों के बारे में बताता है, हमारी लाइफ में हम क्या गलती करते हैं. तो अगर कोई इंसान है वो आपको एक सजेशन दे रहा है कि यार ब्रदर तूने यहाँ पे गलती की, प्लीज़ try to get rid of your this mistake. Okay, try to overcome your mistakes because you are making so many mistakes. So yeah, accept it and say, yeah, I will definitely try my best. I will try my level best. And if and you know friends, the day when you will start doing these kind of things, so you will see a very great change in your life. That yes, now I'm so happy. There's nothing, okay, there's nothing to think about a lot about fear, and there's no other way to eliminate this fear. There's only one way to eliminate fear from your life is face your fear without hesitation, without any kind of fear, just face. And one by one, when you will start having session, when you start facing that particular fear now, so after some time, after maybe 5 or 6 times, then you can see, now I am too good. Now I don't have any kind of problem. Now I can easily have a session, or I can easily face this or that thing. So definitely I think ये चीज़ आपको बहुत हेल्प करेगी